left foot to the side, left foot, gosh, it's right. Left foot to the side, left foot close. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. In this video, I have prepared the basic steps for Foxtrot for leaders. Without further ado, let's get to it. Before we learn the basic steps for Foxtrot, let's go ahead and review the posture for ballroom dancing. We're going to keep our feet in nice 11 shape. It can be slightly apart or completely together, it's up to your preference. Ankles, knees, hips, and shoulders are nicely stacked up. Abs engaged, chest open, and shoulders down. From there, imagine someone is pulling you up straight towards the sky so you feel elevated on the upper body, and our knees are going to be somewhat soft. Not necessarily bent, but soft. Very good. Now let's go ahead and learn the basic steps for Foxtrot. For your ease of learning, I'm going to switch my view into a mirror view image so it's easy for you guys to follow along. To start, we're going to step forward with the left foot, another forward with the right, step to the side with the left, close with the right foot. That's it. Let's try that one more time. Left foot forward, left foot to the side, right foot close. Very good. Now let's go ahead and learn the footwork for Foxtrot basic step. I'll go ahead and chant it out as we are trying it along so you can retain it much easier. Heel, heel toe, toe heel, toe heel. Heel, heel toe, toe heel, toe heel. Very good. Now it is time for us to discuss the timing for Foxtrot basic step. I'll chant it out as well so you guys can hear it and retain it at the same time. Slow, slow, quick, quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Now it is time for us to try together to the music. Stand tall, nice posture. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. Very good. Now that we've tried it to the music, it's time for us to discuss the techniques for Foxtrot. One thing that comes to my mind is the jazzy feel of Foxtrot. When you are elevating on the upper body and at the same time traveling through the floor, that's going to add that elegant, jazzy feel that we are looking for in Foxtrot. So every time you're taking a step forward, make sure to travel through with a sense of elevation so you don't miss out on the frame and the posture, and at the same time adding the nice jazzy feel as you take a side step together. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys had a wonderful time trying out the basic steps of Foxtrot. If you like our videos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future dance videos. I look forward to seeing you guys next week with another fun dynamic dance. Bye!